Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this month's ZENPOP box to unbox for you guys. So excited. It's been sitting at my desk for the last couple of days, but as you guys know, I can only film on weekends, so I'm finally getting down to filming this. Kawaii, oh, Halloween! Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Halloween this year. So let's get right into the unboxing. So I'm gonna pull out all the things that look like pens so I can try them at the end of the video. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all of them. So I'll put those aside. So we have some ghost post-it notes. So cute. Actually, way more practical as well. Being all white, it's gonna be much easier to write on these. I'm just gonna lower the exposure. I feel like it's really bright for some reason. So we have these. Then what's this? Oh, it's like a little eraser, a little cat eraser. Let me open this up. So it's a cute little cat, and then you can put your pencil through here and then use it. I don't know, when it comes to these sort of erasers, I can't bring myself to actually use them. Like, I can't imagine sawing off its ear. So they end up turning out to be little ornaments. I should show you guys one day. I have like a row in one of my shelves, which is just really cute erasers. So adorable. So that's where that will be going. We have some ghost washi tape. This is the ghost washi tape, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of foiling in there as well, like little flecks of purple and like copper/orange. So cute. And then we have a really big memo pad. I'm not familiar with these characters. I don't know if they're actual characters or not. So yeah, it's like a memo pad. They're all joined, not sticky, so you can leave this on your desk and write notes to yourself, which I'm actually going to leave this on my desk. It's one of those things where I have lots of post-it notes, and when I need to write something, it's never there, and sometimes I don't need it to be sticky. So this is perfect. I'm definitely going to use this. And we have still vending machine snack stickers. This is so cute. I've never seen this before. This is such a good idea. And they're flat stickers, so I think I can actually use them in my planners. And then, oh, we have a letter set, a little ghost letter set. So 3 envelopes, 9 letters. And then the last thing, is this like a pouch? Yeah, it's like a pouch. I think it's got a piece of cardboard in here to keep it stiff. But yeah, oh, it's like a tiny little pouch. I'm just looking through the little instruction pad, and it talks about how you can actually use it to store like your passports. You can use it as a thin pencil case or anything like that. That's pretty cool. Flat case. I don't think I have anything like this before. This might be really cool for traveling, because I do have a trip planned in a month or two, so I don't know. Maybe I'll take this on with me. So that's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and try those pens out. There's 3 different pens that came with this set. I've already tried 2 of them before, as in not these particular colors, but I own versions of them, and I know they're amazing, so I'm going to use them first. This is the Rouchon Petite. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, in purple. It's like a felt tip pen, so you guys can see here. Felt tip. It will work really well, I already know. Yeah. These pens are so saturated, very easy to work with. And if you've watched my videos long enough, then you'll know that Satasa is like one of my favorite pens. And I love getting all these different like collectible Satasa pens in the ZENPOP box. So this is the 0.4. Okay. I know some people are really obsessed about the tip size, and I'm one of those people. That's why I mention it. But I don't have a 0.4. I have a whole set of 0.3s because I love fine tip. But I don't think I have 0.4, which is really interesting. So let's give this a shot. Okay, it's kind of like a lime color to it. And it's going to be really interesting. You know, I'm low-key kind of tempted to theme the week of Halloween in my bullet journal as totally Halloween, even though I already have picked out the theme for October, which you will see pretty shortly, probably next week. And there is pretty much no bleed through at all. So this pen, this is going to be an interesting one, because this particular pen, it's a fabric pen. So it's actually, like, you can use it on paper, but its true benefit really comes from writing on fabric and doing craft with it, which I don't have any fabric that I want to write on, so I'm going to use this paper. But I did want to call out that it actually is super unique, and you can use it for a whole variety of things, whereas if you try using these pens on fabric, they're just going to wash out over time. I will say though, the instructions say that you can't use this on like any waterproof items or polyester items. So really more like cotton or cotton blends is better. Okay, I think I have to let the pigment, this is the pigment ink, which means it will last even if you wash your clothes, it should stay because it won't bleed from water. Pretty sure this is orange colored, but looks like I will have to let the ink run through first. Okay, you gotta shake it up first. I don't know, can you kind of see it coming through? Not sure if my focus is on point, but yeah. And I have a feeling it's going to be one of those pens that is going to bleed through pretty bad, just because it does have to penetrate like cotton and stuff like that. So when I try it on paper, I'm pretty sure it's going to bleed right through. Okay, almost there. I'm just waiting for the tip to get fully saturated, otherwise it's going to come up streaky. Okay, I think it's saturated enough. Let's give it a shot. I'm not super sure. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, it is full on. There's like a metallic-ish hint to it, but not really. It is very liquid. But yeah, you can see it is full on. And oh, wow, actually, there is no bleed through. There's shadow through, but there's no bleed through. That's pretty impressive. If you're curious, there's no like super strong scent. It's got like a very fine Sharpie smell to it, and I assume it would need that to stick to fabric because you'd need to have a little bit of alcohol in here, but it's nowhere near as bad as a traditional Sharpie or a what are those pens, Copic? Yeah, Copic markers. Those, like, the second you open them, they just like fill the room with their scent. So this isn't one of those at all. And if I do decide to get creative, then I'll probably post it up on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me at A Beautiful Fable on Instagram. I'm gonna try and be a little bit more active on the stories and stuff, just to share things as I go along. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.